Friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are good. In previous class, we have learned how we can make number 1, number 2, number 3 and now number 4. Today we are going to learn number 4. First of all, down and over and now once more down. This is the way to make number 4. Make a standing line, make a sleeping line and again make a standing line. Now kids, do practice with me. First of all, can you tell me what are these? What are these? These are
4 balls.
These are 4 balls. Let's see. Count it with me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3
3,
and now
4.
4. Chaliye count again with me. 1,
1,
2, 3
3,
and
4.
4. And this is our number 4.
4.
Now see how can we make number 4. Make a little bit slanting line. And now make a slipping line. And now again make a standing line. Now let's see again. Kids, do practice with me because you are able to make standing, slipping, curves also. So chaliye, let's do practice with me. Make a standing line. Now make a slipping line. And again make a standing line. Now, if you want, then you can make a little bit slanting line like this. And now make a slipping line and again make a standing line. This is the way to write number 4. This is the way to write number 4. Chali kids, do practice with me. Make a standing line, make a slipping line and now make a standing line. Okay? Again, make a standing line, make a slipping line and now again make a standing line. This is our number 4. तो चलिए kids, हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं एक बार नंबर 1 से लेकर नंबर 4 तक. चलिए, say with me. Very good. How can we make number 1? Make a standing line. Starts from here and go down. This is our standing line and number 1. 1 and now number 2. Make a down curve and now make a slanting line and now make a slipping line. This is our number 2. And now this is our number 3. Make a right circle and again make a right circle. This is a half circle. This is our half circle. Make a right curve. Make a again right curve. Okay. This is our number 3. And now this is our number 4. Make a standing line. Make a slipping line. And now again make a standing line. This is our number 4. चलिए किड्स बोलिए एक बार. 1, 2, 3 and now 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3 and now 4. Very good. Now can you tell me how many crayons there are? There are 4 crayons. Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and now 4. These are 4 crayons. Now again kids, how many pencil I have? So chaliye count with me. 1, 2, 3 and now 4. There are 4 pencils. 1, 2, 3 and now 4. Now students, you are able to write number 1, 2, number 3 and number 4. Chali kids, let's keep practicing with me and take care. Bye bye.